easy bit play music finish. We don't know. We don't know. They just give us this thing.
We just did.
Hey, it be like a TV. Jesus.
Do a small me no bring oh. See am now. The thing go yum by himself. Me and Neru go say yeah. Baba say this is the movement.
The move
2015.
2015.
Oh, Neru, we go blow. Katim and Neru go blow this 2015.
We must blow.
Give me. Oh, Neru.
Anyway, when I welcome to the night show for today, will be January. What is today date again?
January
6. I've been at 7. No, not 6. January 6, 2015. Now we do so. Today na Tuesday.
January don't start.
And we tell you say from January 1, our live show will begin again. For now, we could not vex say some kind point.
We just they put the finishing touches inside the thing.
You know.
Now we don't ready to. We don't carry.
Now
we don't
go ready now. I had to go ready now. So as soon as they there, so now, in case you want to follow us talk, in case you want to call for phone, call 01-2772-195 or make it call 27719
No, now 237
2777195. Then 2778195. We'll
then you can tell us the kind of club where we dey wear. Make we know say you true. You see us. Send us Twitter. We dey here. We dey look at the W9 show. We could read all your tweets like this.
Anyway, today for on top of the show, we get our bunga guest. In name now Shotz. Oh, one number.
Hey, he don't come. I won't ask him. He know the year now. This small man about what they do now. I don't know whether he don't register to vote. That Valentine Day, I don't want to hear story. No,
Shotz no go vote.
Why no?
He go vote early. I know you don't know what I hear about Shotz.
You don't keep person belly.
It's not the way you tell me.
You don't keep person belly.
You
don't say flavor don't give.
Flavor don't give another girl belly. Anabana.
We're not. They just they tell us so.
See.
Anabana.
See. You see. I know. You see all those things where flavor they do. The Bible say what you say is what you get.
No. Now that is.
Yeah. Flavor. Baby. It don't come now for another girl. It don't enter now. Very soon now. It remains 2.
Yes.
Flavor. I have seen a prophecy.
Yeah,
I'm giving you a prophecy. Okay, for 2 girls. We are going to do. Baby.
Neri don't born one already.
My brother.
So you don't know this too short. I don't know about too short.
Too short.
You don't dey crow baby now.
Too short. Make I tell you what easy bit tell me.
Because
he tell me say too short. 3 girls don't get belly for now. Hey! But as a bad sharp guy, you know say too short is a bad sharp guy. This is the bad guy that taught the bad guy how to be a bad guy.
Okay.
He can't tell the girls. Who never make keep quiet, don't talk it. Take money. And the gist where easy bit give me better now.
Hey, so the kids could go born the 3 children at the same time.
I don't know. They feel born them, they feel no born them.
Hey, too short fit get 3 boys. It can be 2 short, 3 short, 4 short,
5 short.
5 short.
The 5 short on. I go to the guy gonna take it because
he go come out with baby.
When you come back. But you get to one name, but when we hear. Where we want talk. They say one church like that.
Hey! Talk through where you go 31st night. Which church where you go in this Lagos, you go do your 31st night. You pay your kid fee before you enter that church. Abi you take and pay your offering or your tithe for the end of the year.
They say one church, therefore overnight service, 31st December 2014 to take it for enter 1st of January 2015. Say then collect 1,000.
Hey!
The pastor of the church, we know him. We not go call his name.
He yellow like this.
He yellow. And he dey speak English.
Very well.
And he and the saloon, not the same saloon, not far from the house.
The same salon as my hair. I like to do my hair sometimes like this.
We not call anybody name.
We just they talk.
We just they talk.
If you go pay that kid fee of 1,000 naira, if to say a baker on the street will ask you for that money, you know go keep that baker. But you pay kid fee. You dey call club where you go pay kid fee. Even club,
you know, say some people when they go reach there, where they go say pay 1,000 to enter the night service. They go say for what? Why will I pay? I want to nonsense. Man, put this money. Get out. Then that night they go show.
Go stand there. You don't enter inside the main church. Oh, you know the outside. You just stand in.
Easy bit to go there now. Easy bit, I like.
I
They do, I not go answer you.
2015.
I lie.
They do, I not go answer you.
Easy.
Anyway, I don't welcome to the night show for today. Today we go follow two short talk. The topic we're going to talk about today for the night show, make for not to talk too much. Now say you go like if you be woman, you go like make your boyfriend or husband make you
or
get
your partner.
Make you get a partner. If you call partner na man now. You know say they know they call for there, they know they call for you, they know they call.
No face. Sorry, scratch that.
Scratch it. Scratch aya.
You know, now selective hearing, you know hear them. So now your
husband and wife.
Your husband,
if you be woman
or your boyfriend,
you like make your boyfriend, your husband make it get beer. And if you like make it get beer, why? And be you not like make it get beer, why?
So we turn the table around. We come they ask the mans also. If you be man, you could like your woman make it baby for in body, in face. I hope so you don't laugh at more.
No,
you get where?
Don't worry. When we come back, we'll go discussion. He get one song when he be saying rain. Wait for 2014.
Wait. The girl get here.
Not be waiting. Not be everything. Then they talk for outside.
Okay.
Me and you go discuss this thing. He get one song where rain. Wait for 2014. Baby, what you play that song for me?
Oh
na.
Oh yeah, what you That's very sweet song. We dance some here now for that time.
Yeah, we dance some.
Baby, what you
we go buy small chicken in bread for you, and when we come back,
baby, now what you want?
Now the video now go watch now. Then when we come back, we go continue with two shots to go. Get sit down now, get in and make you one. Come on,
baby, now what you want? Oh yeah, easy. Now what's that song? This is now 2015. Where done my drink? Okay, no, we know the drink here. Baby, now what you want?
I beg you, make we watch the video when they come back. I'm not even naming one.
That video been sweet. That time we
Wanna you a go carry go, sisi a carry go. Yeah, yo way. No be you a the take on no. Wanna you a wanna no. Sisi Ferrari oh. Yeah, yo way. Baby sweet, yeah. Baby nice, yeah. Baby do all the quarter. Show me more taxi, malero boya roni. Oti mo kode wapa, o afema. Say me what you want, baby, boy, I want you. Boy, I want you. Baby, boy, I want you. No be you I want to buy, but now you I want to marry. Sisi I gotta go. No be you I they give I you. Now you are want to give my life to, baby, baby sweet, yeah. Baby nice, yeah. Baby do all the quarter. Show me more taxi, malero boya roni. Oti makode wapa, o afema buga seni. What you want? Baby, boy, I want you.
You dey tell me make I keep quiet.
That's so.
He's Danny.
Take it to the no be you a carry come. Now you a carry go. Sisi a carry go. Yeah, you will. No be you a the take on no.
He don't do. Easy big. Thank you. Una welcome back on Top the Night Show. Fadayomi on Labode with see your message. You said Nedu, you put on white t-shirt sleeve, linen.
Now they correct. Yes, you get them.
Francis, you say Nedu, una two they talk. Now talk they give us money.
Here. What What do you want me we can't do for you?
Nothing. Anyway, when I welcome back on top of the night show for today, will be Tuesday, 6th of January 2015. We'll tell us say get things we will discuss today. If you be woman, if you be girl, if you be wife, you would like make your husband, your boyfriend, make it get beer. If you like make it get beer, why? If you don't like make it get beer, why? If you be man, you want to keep beer. Why you want to keep beer? Because most men then go say, no, I have to keep beer because all these guys don't think I'm a small boy. So I have to keep beer.
But you get some people where the baby know they feed though.
Yeah, you get some people in the feet.
Ah, you know they feed at all. But and people know they feed tell them.
Imagine if we were president or Jonathan if he carry beer, how
you go do? No, no. No, I don't think that.
And the reason now,
you know cool. Ika, yeah, Baba Yona. Yeah, maybe if no, we go spoil market.
We go spoil market for that.
Make we leave
no, but
retired General Buhari.
No, but
make that one keep baby. You know, say in face small, so make him get that baby.
If Oga Joe carry baby, he go do it like this.
No, it could be then like Jesus.
You come back here, center pattern. Waiting a center pattern.
Okay, then we go call in here like ECB.
You can't call in here like ECB.
Oh, it go fine. No, that one go fine.
You don't ever imagine Oga Joe say. Just as you did there now, imagine I'm saying our president for with the campaign we want to start now. They go say, okay, we are going to do campaign for the youth. Then Ogajo go come wear Timberland boots.
Hey,
with jeans. Come sack the jeans.
Oh, then he can't bounce. Say,
you can't bounce. You say, yo, people of Nigeria, man.
Yo, what's
this is how we roll, man.
Yo.
You can't wear bling bling, then earring. Anyway, we leave that one.
Then you go come wear black glass. For
no,
I.
You can't carry and come.
No, you go wear, you know,
no, you carry down. You carry down.
The badge them go, they go teach her how to wear it.
Move. We come back to that matter. Anyway, we'll come back.
If una will come back on top of nature, if you be man and you like woman, where they get baby, you get this baby, you come get this baby, get baby for body, get baby for your chest, get baby everywhere. You fit talk on why you like woman when get that kind of baby. But not true now. It get some men when they like woman when get baby. Easy.
I beg, you don't do. Una welcome back to the lift. Mama fina query. Una welcome back to the night show.
They don't leave me on.
This is baby thing.
You don't even ask me if I like man with baby.
Hey, now you like me and I make me the grow baby now for you, baby. Hey, touch me. Hey, you're killing me.
And you are baby fine. I know the way you they brush them.
Now this is baby and I put some camp for trouble for inside the Bible. That time people they ask, they talk, say, hey me, why would Delilah shave something hair? Why would Delilah? My brother, una not see Delilah that time. If Delilah na Beyonce, na shave my hair, shave everywhere where hair. Welcome, Too Short,
Too Short, no fit talk again. Too Short, welcome. Now we show be this, so we don't define you since January. But now God make you didn't make you branch. Do you want water?
If you take commercial break,
Too Short, leave me, Yare. Anna.
I forgot.
Well, this your classes. I don't tell you now. This kind of Too Short go teach Baba Yona.
How to? No, very soon Too Short go do campaign music. He go do campaign music for guys. You see, you want to?
No, forget also Too Short.
Maybe me and Oga go do collab.
Una good?
Release and do video.
Hey, if you and Oga Jonah do song now, then wait. Then you go the rap now. Yo, it's 2015. The Oga Joe go there for back. They shout, yeah, what?
Chigidi.
Sup, man.
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll.
Yo.
We roll like egg roll. Anyway, welcome to the live show, Too Short. How is the ministry?
The ministry is moving.
Too Short, you know the cough scenes where you sit down here.
I swear, and don't finish me with laugh.
Oh, sorry. Make I go find you water.
I swear, if you get, give me.
Anyway, Too Short, welcome to the night show.
Thank you.
You now everything you do now. You do music. You do cloth now.
Too Short don't blow. We there, yeah.
You don't turn tailor now. Now we don't know which one you do again.
You see, give me that you are black thread.
Sometimes.
I want to plant in baby.
Sometimes waiting.
Sometimes, an Igbo man has to improvise.
No wonder.
Thank you very much. Oh, you didn't know?
No wonder.
Now you know what's up now. Now, if you try this angle, it's doing like one kind. You shift it to the other angle. Bottom line is ego na batana. Thank you very much. Money is in the pocket.
It doesn't matter what 2015. Even if it is to sell coffin. Where they bring some
your
money.
end.
Nah,
The movement of the ministry must go on.
sell it. The ministry of the.
You are looking fine, no? Here too short.
Nah, it can be washing.
Hey.
You don't know if it's washing.
No, not true now. This you are teaching.
Anyway, too short.
Oh.
Why we carry you come today for this show today? Now, three things make us carry you come today. One, we carry you come because of the topic we'll get to talk about today. Beer or no beer. And then the second one, come talk about your music. Why were your wife today? She not stay for Nigeria, Abby. Eh. All these wicked people, then go marry, leave their wife for there. Then our guests wait there for here. And that, okay.
No, na better life for the rural children.
Nah, it is convenient for all and sundry. What is wrong with you?
So to leave you are anyway.
Your
No,
wife
be that.
for
Me,
there,
I not talk am now. Neru go say
No,
me
I don't live
quiet.
on for there. No, we are together, both in the physical and in the spiritual.
And the spirit.
And the spirit and the spiritual.
Anyway, before we come back to Too Short, make it tell us what you feel about what to talk about today. If you be woman, you like me or man, they keep beer. Why you like them? If you don't like me, they keep beer. Why you don't like them? If you be man, why you like to keep beer? If you be woman, if you be man too, why you don't like to keep beer? We go outside, go ask people about this same thing, whether they like them or not. Make we got small chicken break, make we hear, waiting people get to talk about whether they make them boyfriend or man friend or husband make it get beer or not.
Or
We
whether
dey come
na
back,
the woman
still
like
on
the
top
same
the
thing.
next show.
You could refer some Neru, not only man, na woman too. We dey come back.
In case you want to call us, our phone numbers go there on top the screen. Make you see our phone numbers on top screen. Make you call us. We go talk to
Ask
you.
this Too Short
anywhere.
any question when you came for your mind that time. Any question within your mind, since. Open the telephone line, call this Too Short, talk to them, ask them all kinds of questions.
Our phone numbers
We'll
don't there on
answer
top the screen now. If you call us anywhere where you did for inside Nigeria, you go feel call us, make we follow you talk. We dey come, make we hear. What people get to talk about this beer matter? We dey come back now. Still on top the night show for Wazobia TV.